Once you're inside this big box, we're going to push that box down to 1/3 its size. And once it's 1/3 its size, we're going to stick swords through it. Does that sound like fun? Okay, the illusion was just delivered to me backstage here, so let me bring it out here and then we'll find a volunteer. And, oh no! I think I got the wrong size. I think I ordered a 1/10 size model. It's not big enough for any of you to fit in here. I don't know what we could do. Who would possibly fit inside that thing? Looks like they're calling for you, Merlyn. So it's going to be our magical illusion. Ladies and gentlemen, Merlyn, the Magic Cockatiel, can perform his grand illusion on a miniature scale. All right, here we go, Merlyn, step up. All right, here we go. I hear him. All right, and now for the fun part. Ow! Wait a minute. Houston, I think I have a problem here. I think I got the point. Got the point, get it? Got the point, it's a joke, just kidding. Alright. Okay, Merlyn, here we go. No feathers. So far, so good. Ladies and gentlemen, Merlyn, the Magic Cockatiel. Merlyn, we're going to transport him into the future. So, is that say wait bye-bye to Merlyn? Bye. All right, Merlyn, we're going to step you up here. We're going to cover you up here. Just here. Just here. All right. Now what we're going to do, Merlyn, we're going to take, oh, you're getting heavy, Merlyn. What are you doing? You're gaining weight. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the show. My name is Leigh, Hotz, Wizard of Fun. If you didn't like my show, my name is David Copperfield. So me and Merlyn says, goodbye, folks. So thank you for